हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू फ्रेश लर्निंग एकेडमी। आज हमारे साथ हैं अनन्या। अनन्या हैज क्लियर्ड हर फ्यूचर जनराली इंटरव्यू। तो आज हम अनन्या से बात करेंगे और जानेंगे कि फ्यूचर जनराली अगर आपकी ड्रीम कंपनी है, ड्रीम बैंक है, तो उसमें अप्लाई करने के लिए क्या प्रोसेस है, क्या सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया होता है और किस पोजीशन के लिए आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए पूछते हैं अनन्या से उनके एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में। वेलकम अनन्या।
Hello, ma'am. Today I am sharing experience in Fresh Learning Academy. I am completed my MBA from Finance HR. I am selected as a relationship manager in Future Generali Indian Life Insurance Corporation. Now I am sharing my experience that how I am in what ways I am selected in Future Generali. So first, I want to say you that only you need a confidence if you are wanted to go for Future Generali interview. There are total two rounds. First is GD and the another one is PI. In GD, I experienced that they only want to speak up to you. That means you are confident what you are saying. There is no language barriers. Either you speak in English or in Hindi, doesn't matter. The topic is also so simple. Like I get the topic of cricket. The cricket is most watchable play in India. So here I was sharing my experience that in GD I only say speak. No one I start the GD that only watch that how confident you are. As a post is of relationship manager, the main thing of relationship manager is to communicate with others like other managers like DMarts. If you are and to do policies with future generally, so they only want your communication skills, that how much you are confident to speak. And I every time I speak and then they stop me, keep okay, you are now you should not speak anything and the other would speak. So they were just wanted, and I think that I speak, and that's why I'm selected in GD. Then the second round was PI. The PI is also simple. They were just asking me some questions that were tell me about yourself, what experience about insurance, what is insurance, normal types of insurance, what type of insurance your father or mother had get insurance policies. Then I replied in a very soothing manner. The next thing which they asked to me, that why you want to join Future Generali, as you are belong to finance HR background, and here the profile is much related to marketing also. So I am replying with the way that if you can't fly then run, if you can't run then walk, and if you can't walk then crawl, but whatever you do you have to keep moving forward yourself in any of the direction. So they really most appreciable for me. Okay, it's on you that what you actually want in your life. And for you are practicing GD and PI. If you wanted to go for Future Generali interview, you should watch the video in any online platform like Fresh Learning Academy with Pratibha ma'am, helps you a lot there. So for that you can build your confidence. And I think that you apply for any job profile or in Future Generali or any other company, you should speak it out.
So Ananya, can you tell everybody, like, was there any eligibility criteria to apply for relationship manager post, like 60% throughout in 10th, 12th or graduation, or was there no criteria?
No, the best thing was there is no criteria.
There was no such criteria. So those who are planning to apply for Future Generali, they should be happy because there is no such criteria. Okay, Ananya, anything which you noticed, like you told that there is no language barrier. आप हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं, इंग्लिश में भी बात कर सकते हैं. जरूरी होता है कि आप कॉन्फिडेंट रहें और आप कुछ ना कुछ बोलें. आई थिंक लाइक जीडी और पीआई में आपने जैसे कि काफी चीजें शेयर की अपने बारे में, एंड यू टोल्ड दैट दिस इज व्हाट रिक्रूटर्स आर लुकिंग फॉर. ओके अनन्या, कैन यू शेयर योर पैकेज डिटेल विथ एवरीबडी, बिकॉज जो भी अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं फ्यूचर जनरली में, डेफिनेटली दे वुड लाइक टू नो अबाउट द पैकेज विच यू विल गेट.
The package is actually great. It was 5.5 lakh, and you get insurance benefits also for your family and for yourself also.
That is great. The package is great. Okay, any tip from you, Ananya, like those who would like to go and make their career in future generally? जैसे बहुत सारे बच्चों को लगता है कि बहुत टफ जॉब होती है बैंक की, हालांकि अभी आपने ज्वाइन नहीं किया, बट सून यू विल बी ज्वाइनिंग. तो अभी आपको क्या लग रहा है, लाइक व्हाट विल बी द challenges you will come across in this banking industry or insurance industry?
Okay, so I think first of all, I wanted to say that something is better than nothing. So when you start something, definitely there are hurdles are there, but it is up to you that how you handle. Yeah, it was difficult to me that it's my first job and the marketing profile was there, but
Mhm.
as they selected me, so I try my best in best course.
That is great. That is great. Ananya, any tip from your end to the people who would like to apply for future generally? What are the
Okay, so
things
my tip
they
was
should?
there.
Mhm.
Okay. I just wanted to say you all that be prepared for GD and PI that are the starting round and be confident and the communication skill is must I think for future generally. So please try it's for the best. Prepare GD, PI. Take your help of your mentor or guider. Yeah, it is pandemic, but the online you apply for you can subscribe Fresh Learning Academics and others so that you know how to crack GD or PI.
So, everybody, those who are watching this video, I must tell you that this is not the sponsored video. Ananya is telling a lot about Fresh Learning Academy. But yes, of course, one thing I would like to share with you all, please choose a mentor, please choose a guide, because if you would like to do anything with your life, then you have to prepare, because preparation is the key to success. Thank you so much, Ananya, for sharing your valuable experiences with all of us. So, to sum up, I must say there were two rounds. You applied for Future Generali Life Insurance, and there were two rounds, GD round and PI round. And according to Ananya, confidence and you have to speak up. This is what is needed to crack the interview. And the final and foremost thing, which is very good, is that you are getting a very good salary package, and that too, the profile is very good. Ananya, if you can share something about relationship officer profile, like what are the roles and responsibilities, so that people those who want to apply should know a little bit about this profile.
Okay, the roles and the responsibility that they are telling to me is just you are go for you are there are the roles and responsibility are like that you should go ahead for DMART and other and there you should take a group policies the term insurance are there and the best thing about future generally is they provided a 2 month online training for you that is flipped training program and there you can learn about the different insurance policies which actually the relationship manager want to go ahead at their jobs.
Okay, that means again, before applying, before you will start with your actual job, you will to get the online training, which is very good. तो अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते हो तो आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. Once you are selected, then you are getting full support from Future Generali, because you will get to go through online trainings. Wow, that is great. Okay, Ananya, anything else you would like to share? It is great that you came on
Yes,
Fresh Learning. Yes, please go ahead.
okay, yes, I am not sponsored Fresh Learning Academy, but I always wanted to say that you need a mentor or guider. When I am not selected, I am just go through many of the campus drive and I've just come to Pratibha ma'am and then share my experience that it was happen and then she would and she then tell me that what's your mistakes and what's your strength and then I just work on my mistakes and for that it was my seventh campus drive in which I am selected. So winners don't do the different thing, they do the same thing in different way. The main thing that you should have a mentor, a teacher by which you can guide it, and without guidance I don't think so that on your own capability you are go ahead for something. There's need a guidance in your life is very important, either your parents or your teachers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ananya, for being here on Fresh Learning Academy. Definitely, your guidance, your valuable advice will help those who are preparing for Future Generali life insurance company placement. Thank you so much, Ananya, for your valuable time.
Okay, thank you ma'am.